Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to search tabs in the Opera GX on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you have multiple tabs open and find it difficult to locate a specific one, Opera GX provides a built-in tab search feature to quickly find what you need. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. To search tabs in Opera GX, press Ctrl plus a space on your keyboard. This will open the tab search panel. Now start typing. Name of the tab you are looking for. Opera GX will instantly show matching results from your open tabs. Simply click on the tab to switch that particular tab. In addition to open tabs, Opera GX also shows recently closed tabs. You can quickly reopen any tab from here if needed. That's it. This is how you can search tabs in the Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.